Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to play YouTube videos in the background of your Android phone. Now for this one, it's very simple. One thing you need before you can do this is a YouTube Premium subscription. So go ahead and set up your YouTube Premium subscription. Like I have, you can see it says YouTube Premium, and that's because I do have an active subscription. And so what you want to do with that YouTube Premium subscription is, once you have it on your app, just play any YouTube video that you want, like this one, and then go to multitasking mode, and then switch to a different app. And you can hear when I adjust the volume, that video is still playing in the background. Okay, so if you're listening to music or whatever it is that you're doing, I can just continue using my phone, and that YouTube video is still playing in the background. When I want to go back to it, I'll just go into multitasking mode, go back to the video and find it. And that is basically how to play YouTube videos in the background of your Android phone. Now, like I mentioned, you do need a YouTube Premium subscription to be able to do this. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.